Welcome all, dear doctors and students, in Ayurveda Adhyayan e-lecture series. And today we'll learn Ekanga Virras, one of the important Khalvira Sankalpa in Vata Vyadhi. So we do the Laman to the Lord Dhanvantari. Namami Dhanvantari Madidevam Sura Sure Vandita Padma Padmam Loke Jara Rug Bhayam Mrityu Nashanam Dhataramesham Vividha Ushadhanenam. So Ekangavir reference in Prahat Nigantu Ratnakar. So this is a shloka which we can realize the content, and we'll try to learn all content one by one in next slides. These all are the ingredients Ekangavir Ras. That is one side of table we have shown content, and second Bhavana Dravya, Shuddha Gandhak Kantaloha Bhasma, Naga Bhasma, Abrak Bhasma, Vanga Bhasma, Tamra Bhasma, Tishna Loha Bhasma, Shuntha, Marich, Pimpli, and these are the Bhavana Dravya. So Ekangavir Ras is Khalvi Rasayan Kalpa. Ekanga means Pakshaghat, and it cures a patient from Pakshaghat, so it's called as Ekangavir. So first ingredient, that is Shuddha Parat, Samabhukantakara se Rasa Sindur. It's a Balya, Vrusha, Rasayan and Yoga Vahi. Second important ingredient, that is Shuddha Gandhak, that is Rasayan, Amapachak, Yoga Vahi. Is Katu, Madhur, Kashay, Ushna, Katu and Vata Kapha Shamak. Third is very important, that is Kantaloha Bhasma. It is its action as a Balya, Rasayan and Raktavardhak. It's Tikta, Kashay, Madhur, Katu Vipaki, Sheet Viryatmak. Then Tamra Bhasma is ingredient. Tamra is Tikta, Katu, Madhur, Anushna, Vishanashak, Pandutva Nashak and Yoga Vahi. Then Naga Bhasma. Naga Bhasma, its action is Balya, Rasayan and Shukravardhan. Then another ingredient, that is Vanga Bhasma. It's also Balya, Rasayan and Shukravardhak. Then Abrak Bhasma is ingredient, that is Abrak Bhasma has Kashay Ras, Madhur Vipak and Shita Virya. It's truly action on Majja Dhatu, and it's a Balya and Rasayan activity. Then Tishna Loha Bhasma. Tishna Loha Bhasma is Balya, Rasayan and Raktavardhak. Then Suntha, that is Adrak, Dipan Pachan, then Marich, then Pipli. So we'll go to the Bhavana Dravya. First Bhavana Dravya, that is Trikatu. Trikatu is known for Dipan, Pachak, Kafagna and Rudya. Then Triphala. Triphala is known for his action Dipan, Pachan, Medha, Vardhak, Rushya, then Rasayan, Kashay Rasatmak and Madhur Vipaki. Then important Bhavana Dravya, that is Nirgundi. Nirgundi is Uttam Vata Shamak Dravya, Balya, and its main action on Majja Dhatu. Then Chitrakmul Swaras Bhavana. Chitrak is known for Katu, Tikshna, Agni Deepak and Pachak. Then Adrak Swaras Bhavana, Deepak and Pachan. Then Shigru Tuvak Swaras, its action as a Kafavat Shamak and its Rasavir Vibhag, that is Katu, Tishna, Ushna. Pushkar Mul, that is Vata Shamak Dravya. Then Amalki Swaras Bhavana. Amalki is known as Rasayan and Rakta Prasadak. Then Kuchala. Kuchala is Balya to all nervous tissue, and it's truly Vata Shamak Dravya. Then Arkapatra Swaras Bhavana. Arka is a Sarak, Vata Shamak and Ushna Viryatmak. Last very important Dravya, that is Guduchi, Amruta. It is Ushna, Deepak, Tridosh Shamak. So Ekangavir Ras Guna Karma. Ekangavir Ras, that is Ushna, Tikshna, Vata Kapha Shamak. Its ingredients all are Tikta Rasatmak, and its mainly action on Rasa, Rakta, Majja, Shukra and Oja. Its action is Rasayan. Its important works on Hruday, Mastiksh, which all keep controls on all these functions, heart and brain and nervous tissue. All Bhavana Dravya are Katu, Agni Deepak, Pachak, Tishna, Ushna and Pittavardhak. So this is a Granthokta reference for its action. Pakshaghatam cha Arditam, Ardhangavat, Kudrasi, Vishwachi, Avbhavuk. So its Matra, Kal and Anupal. Ekangavir Ras, its Matra is 1 to 2 Gunja. Anupan, Adrak Swaras, Gogrutam. And it should be given in empty stomach at morning. And in Atyayik Avastha, we can give as per medical condition. We can give at maximum 21 days duration. So first disease which can be treated by Ekangavirus, that is Pakshaghat. Pakshaghat, it's a Vata Vyadhi and it is characterized by loss of functions and mobility of half of the body. And this cause of Pakshaghat is Prakopit Vayu. The pathological phenomena of Vata is playing very important role in manifestation of Pakshaghat are Vata Prakop, Anya Dosh, Vata Dosh and Dhatu Kshayajanya Vata Prakop. Pakshaghat can be correlated with hemiplegia of modern medicine, and it is caused by vascular disorder, infective disorder of brain tissue, tumors, trauma, etc. And among these vascular disorders, stroke is very important cause of hemiplegia. So in Ayurveda, this disease can be treated by two ways, Shodhan and Shaman. For Shaman purpose, Ekangavirus will be a good choice of drug. Ekangavirus is one of the herbo-mineral medicine and its ability to pacify a vitiated Vata dosh because it's having Madhur Ras, Snigdha Gun, Ushna Virya and Madhur Vipak. It pacifies vitiated Kapha dosh also by Tikta Katu Kashay Ras and Lagu Gun, Ruksha Gun and Ushna Virya and Katu Vipak. In this Samprapti, Vata Vyadhi is result of Strota Rodh, Dhatu Kshay or Marma Vighat. In this Pakshagata, increase Kapha dosha and lead to obstruction of Strotas, and due to its Tikta Ras, Laghu Gun and Ushna Virya, so its Amapachan effect in the body, then its eliminates Strotoshodhan occurs due to as well as Kapha dosh. Its properties of Ekangavirus, it would be instrumental in restoring the Gati and Gandhatva, that is sensation and motor activity. So we'll discuss next slide the parts, that is monoplegia, hemiplegia, diplegia, paraplegia and quadriplegia. So in this all condition, Ekangavirus would be a drug of choice along with other Ayurveda medicinal drug. So before going to next slide, we'll discuss some part of Pakshaghat where Ekangavirus has very good property. So Bhavana Dravya of Ekangavirus having very important action on its medical diseases. Its Bhavana Dravya enhances the property of main ingredient. Its main ingredient are like Amalki, Pipali, Shuguru, Marich, to ability to minimize the nerve damage and anti-inflammatory action. Piperine helps to improve the outcome of patient by reducing inflammatory features at the site of brain damage. So these all Tamra and other medicines are having hypolipidemic action, reduces coagulation time and anticoagulation formation of erythroma. So all these ingredients having very good action on Strotorodh and other type of pathology. So it's a very good drug in management of Pakshaghat. So we'll go to the next slide, that is sciatica. All of you know that sciatica is just arises because of compression of sciatic nerve The pain arises from this pubic region to back of the leg to toe, and there is a severe pain and some patients having inflammation also. So in Vata Kapha Pradhan Lakshana, in this condition we can use Ekanga Virras along with other medications, and the treatment protocol should be a Snehan, Swedan, Virechan, Basti. We can use Ekanga Virras as a drug of choice in this medical condition. So we'll go to the next slide. Vishwachi, we can correlate with that as a brachial neuralgia, that is pain in the neck and shoulder, later spreads down to the either diffuse boring pain or sharp shooting pain down the tip of the fingers. So in this condition, if there is a Vata Kapha Lakshana, then we can use Ekanga Virras, which is having very good results to minimize the pain and swelling. So this slide indicates Ekanga Virras we can use in all type of Vata Vyadhi, like Kampavat, Ekangavat, Ardhangavat, Kalaikanja, Panguvat, Dhanurvat, Ardhitvat. In these all conditions where is a Vata Kapha Lakshan, in these conditions we can use Ekanga Virras along with other medical conditions. So we'll discuss contraindications. So in Pittanubandhi or Pitta Pradhan Samprapti Lakshana, in this condition we cannot use Ekanga Virras. For summary, we can understand it's a very good drug for management of Vata Vyadhi. Ingredients are very good action on all Vata type of Vata disorders. So we can use in all Vata Kapha Janya Samprapti Vikar instead of Pitta Janya Vikar. So it's request from us, like Dr. Ramdas Garje and Dr. Seema Garje. Keep watching all our Ayurveda Adhyayan e-lecture series on YouTube. For getting more information about our Ayurveda Adhyayan lecture series, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so you can get notifications of further videos. And one of the request from us to please do like and share this video so other students and doctors also get benefited from this activity. So we'll meet in next lecture with another Rasakalpa. Till then, goodbye. Jai Ayurveda.